Hello friends, today I came with a new video, animals and their sounds. So let's get started. I am cow, what do I say? Moo moo, cow says moo moo. I am lion, what do I say? Grr grr, lion says grr grr. I am horse, what do I say? Neigh, horse says neigh. I am bear, what do I see? Bear growls. I am dog, what do I say? Dog barks. I am hen, what do I say? Hen clucks. I am pig, what do I say? Pig says oink oink, like Peppa Pig. I am duck, what do I say? Quack quack, duck says quack quack. I am cat, what do I say? Meow meow. Cat says meow meow. I am sheep, what do I say? Baba, sheep says baba. I am goat, what do I say? Man, goat says man. I am tiger, what do I say? Roar, roar. Tiger roars. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Friends, do you like shopping? Please see description for special offer. Thank you for watching.